I picked this up from the Dollar Tree. Pampas grass I picked up from Walmart. These florals I also got from Walmart, and I have some leftover ribbon. Let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to get started by taking this tag off. Okay, I'm going to place the styrofoam here at the peak of at the bottom of the heart. I'm going to zip tie it on. Before I zip tie this down, I'm going to put some glue on here. I'm going to zip tie it in 2 different spots. I have these leftover greenery. I'm going to use that for the sides and the bottom here. I'm going to put this off to the side and work on my florals. So I'm going to take the florals and push them all the way up. I didn't want that to happen. Put a little bit of glue on. Start that. I'm going to work my way to the front, and I'm going to make the stems shorter as I go. And taller in the back, shorter in the front. I do want to leave a spot because I think I want to put a bow there. I haven't decided yet. See how these two kind of look similar? I'm going to put this one on the other side. Do one on each side. I'm going to try to put one on each side. These would be really good for boutonnieres or corsages. Two loops, one tail going up, one tail going down. I'm going to take the zip tie, make sure I've got all my loops and my tails underneath the zip tie. I'm just going to start the zip tie. I'm not going to crank it all the way down. pull it to the back, zip tie it off. They call this fluffing the bow. They also call it raking the bow. Dovetail my tails. Right in the middle. Bear with me. I have these floral pins, and that's what I'm going to use to attach it to the middle part of this project. So I'm going to go in between the middle part of the bow, out of the way, garbage. Just going to go right into the styrofoam.
Friends, if you like this kind of content, please like and share and consider subscribing, as that does help grow my small channel.
That is it. Going into about the third bead. Now I have a way of hanging.
Friends, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.